My name is Miss Barber and I am the instructor, or more like the guide for this course. I wanted to introduce myself and let you see that a real person teaches this course. I am so real you can see my china cabinet behind me. Yes, my dining room is my recording studio. I am looking forward to a great term and to also getting to know each of you. Can't wait to read your posts in the introduction discussion assignment. So, what's pre-calculus? Math 1650 Pre-Calculus is the prerequisite course for students who take calculus. This course includes topics from algebra, trig, analytic trig, and a few additional ones like geometric series and, if time permits, the binomial theorem. This course is designed to equip you so that you are ready to successfully learn the contents of Calculus 1. So how does online work? The online requires that you have a computer and a reliable internet access. Now, UNT's learning management system is called Canvas. Think of a learning management system, or LMS, as your online classroom. It houses your classroom information like the syllabus and essentially all other information you need. We will also use WebAssign. WebAssign is a publisher platform through which you will do your homework. Oh, and where your textbook is located. Let's get started. Now, to get started, go to the Canvas dashboard and select here, the 1650 course. Don't get used to the cover. I'm going to change it to something more appealing as soon as I figure out how. So let's begin. Click. The course home page, I have it set to be the same as the modules page. This is where you're going to live or reside as a student most of the time. A good hint here is the Start Here module. That means you need to start here. You've got several pages, but don't let it overwhelm you. Just take the time to read each one. You click on it and you'll see what this class is about and what's required in Canvas. You can also choose to click the next at the bottom right, and this page, the Basics for Students New to Canvas, is well worth your time. I encourage you, so let me go back to home. I encourage you to go through the Basics for Students New to Canvas. There's 3 short videos, and that could save you a whole lot of frustration if you just orient yourself first. Read here a little bit about me and what my availability is. I do want to encourage you to look at what are the expectations of an online course, and most importantly, please note that it has the exact same expectations as face-to-face. Going back. WebAssign registration. This is kind of cool. The way that WebAssign is set up, you click on it, and as a student, just click on an assignment and you'll be able to open the WebAssign. Read the directions. It tells you as soon as you open it, you get in an assignment and it'll ask you how you want to pay. Here is the Introduce Yourself discussion that's going to be due in a few days. Now, nice thing about Canvas is, one, you could get an app for this for your phone so that you have it with you all the time. And to the right, you have a to-do list with assignments and their due dates right at your fingertips. Don't get overwhelmed. You got 3 assignments due today, but they shouldn't take very long. Getting familiar with WebAssign homework assignments, 9 questions should take you about 5 minutes. The class orientation quiz, on the other hand, will take you a real long time if you don't thoroughly read through the Start Here first. Now, how does this course work? You begin with Module 1, read the overview and the learning objectives. Now click on Course Materials. In it, I have provided for you what look like incomplete lecture notes. You need to print them out, and you'll notice there's blanks here. And as you go through, there are some example problems with nothing worked out. How do you get that done? Well, let's go back to the module. You're going to go to Lesson 1.
Hi, I'm Miss Barber.
And I have lessons provided for you for most of the sections. For the ones that I don't have the lesson videos, I'll still have complete notes. The idea is you read your textbook, complete the video notes, and then do your homework. Read the textbook, complete your video notes, and then do the homework. If you choose to skip the lesson and you try to do the homework, you may find homework to be rather frustrating. But before you begin the homework assignments, make sure that you get to the Syllabus tab in Canvas and read through the entire platform carefully. In fact, scroll to the bottom, click on the link for the 1650 Section 500 syllabus. And when you do, the syllabus will pop up. And let's go through it real quickly. First, I introduce myself and give you my contact information. I do have physical office hours on Wednesdays from 10 to 11:50 a.m. and also by appointment. Most online students prefer to just communicate via email or the Canvas inbox. Let's continue. Required materials for the class. You have to have the Cengage WebAssign. Cengage offers a 14-day no-cost temporary access so that you can begin your homework right away. Let's take note of requirement number 2. Calculators are not permitted on exams or quizzes. I'll trust you to read the rest of the syllabus yourself. Remember, the syllabus is full of information that is crucial to your success in this class. Read it carefully and ask me any questions you may have about the syllabus or about the course. You are ready to get started. Begin at the Start Here module.